Okay, what's going on here? All right, good. Let's start the intro. What is up guys, Alex Boyer here and welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about the Magician Everyday Carry, or EDC. So basically, what does Alex Boyer keeps in his pocket every day, all the time? I'll go in full details with you guys on how and why I use these objects. Some I use all the time and some I use for special occasions or events. But these are my go-to. For me, pocket management is key. So, I'll stop talking and here we go. A Magician's EDC. Number one, the most common thing people carry with them, smartphone. With a leather case, it gives it a badass feel and look to it. But this for me is key. I use my phone all the time to perform magic tricks. Number two, the most essential thing a magician can carry, you guys guessed it already, it's a deck of cards. This was not in my mouth. If I don't have my cards on me when I go out, I literally feel naked. It's like I'm missing something, a part of me. Most of the time I carry red bicycle with me, just because classics are classics for a reason. Sometimes as a magician you need to draw something on the back of the cards, so red is great for that. And I'm also thinking about creating my own deck of cards. Let me know in the comment if I should do it. Each time I grab a new deck, I always open two at the same time. And the reason for that is that I want two duplicates in each of my decks. This way I can perform miracles with it, and for me this is a must. I do it all the time. Number three, the TT, or the thumb tip. And this is exactly it, a fake thumb. There are so many ways you can use this tool. I can make any object appear or disappear in my hands, or I can do magic using the spectator's items with this. This is very powerful. Number four, Sharpies. I use three different ones depending the occasion. First one, this is just a regular one. I use this one as a magic one. Sometimes I can make it disappear, make it come back, or for me it's just fun to play with it. But I also use it to make people sign their cards. The second Sharpie that I use is actually an effect that I created with Alan Rorison. He's an absolute genius and also a great magician. Basically, it's a Sharpie that when you take the cap off and you put it back here, the spectator can't take it off. It's stuck there. You can also use this Sharpie as a pseudo-hypnosis effect, so you can actually remove the strength of the spectator so they can't take the cap off. And sometimes I use the Sharpie to mess around with hecklers when they don't shut up when I perform a magic trick. This is an amazing prop to have on you. And the third Sharpie that I use is actually a trick called Look Sharp by Wayne Goodman. It almost has the same feeling as the Omni deck, but with a Sharpie. And if you're a magician and looking for something impossible, this is it. Number five, the Turner watch by my boys at Nobody Knows. This is exactly what real magic should look like. I'm not gonna go in full details with that, but basically you can control and predict time. That's pretty freaking insane. And if you guys want to know more about this, you can go to nobodyknows.com. Number six, a nail. Yeah, a nail. I've always been a fan of geek magic and sideshow performers. For a spectator, there's nothing more magical than seeing real and dangerous magic. This is truly something that your spectators will talk about forever. Please kids, don't try this at home. Number seven, this. I cannot really talk about what's in this wallet, but this is probably the thing I use the most all the time. Let's just say this is IET. Figure it out by yourself. Basically, I have real magical powers on me all the time. And trust me, if you're a magician and don't use IET, you've never shown real magic to your spectators, period. This is key for me. Number eight, my leather wallet. And my initials are on it. I'm cool, okay? I use my wallet for obvious reasons, but I also use my wallet for gags and magic tricks. The first effect that I keep in my wallet is this little envelope here. Blackmail by Bobby Motta. If you want to read minds or predict the future, this is it guys. There's nothing better than Blackmail by Bobby Motta. I keep this on myself all the time. Inside my wallet, I also keep a lot of duplicate cards in case I need more for some effects. But also, these cards are actually a magic trick themselves. Let me know in the comment if you want me to do a tutorial about it. This trick is pretty sick. Number 9, fire. I use this lighter for lots of different effects, but I also use the branded gimmick to reveal a card blistered on my finger. This is really impressive for your spectator to see. The second fire item that I carry with me is called a finger flasher. Again, I think you guys will agree with me that this is just really cool. I use this item to make stuff appear, but also when someone asks me to do something quick, this is exactly what I do. And number 10, hopefully you guys will not get mad at me, but number 10 is my knowledge as a magician. I carry that with me all the time. Some of the best effects that I perform as a magician is actually with people's object. Raw and organic magic is key. And trust me when I tell you that the spectator will surely watch your magic trick closely when you do something with his ring. Also, anything you do as a magician doesn't rely on your gimmicks you use or the actual magic tricks you perform. It relies on you. Your personality is everything. And also the time you took to practice and master your craft.
Yo, Sean!
What's up?
Yo, can you check out some magic?
Some magic?
Yeah, like this, like that right there.
Dude.
Flash! Basically, the spectators need to like you before they like your magic tricks. So there you go guys, this was my everyday carry as a magician. You probably watched this video sitting on your toilet, so thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and share it. And if you're new here, please subscribe. My name is Alex Boyer and I'll see you guys really soon. Peace!
If you do that, and then...
No, that's too much, bro.
Yo, Sean!
What's up?
Yo, can you check out some magic?
Some magic?
Yeah, like this, like that right there.
Dude, where'd the car go?
Right
Okay,
there.
no, stop.
If you do that, and then...
No!